Hey, do you need to replace your Dyson battery? I want to thank SalPow because they sent this for us. This is a battery and filters for the Dyson. The V11 and the V15 is interchangeable. So this is my Dyson. Had it for about 5 years. Love it. I use it almost probably 3 times a week. I've got 3 little dogs, and so I am always vacuuming. When you need a new battery, or you need you want an extra battery, so you always have one that's charged, and the filters, you don't have to buy the name brand, you can buy this instead. Okay, so like I said, it comes with 2 filters. So you just take all the plastic off, and then all you have to do is turn this, and look, and I clean this all the time. Just pop that back in. Screw it tight, fits perfectly. Let's try the battery. Long lasting, holds its charge, fits perfectly. Again, this is a V15. The V11 works for both. I love having a second one on hand just in case my other one, when it's going to die eventually. And I love also having the new cleaners. I try to keep mine clean because I love it so much. It is very expensive to get a Dyson, so I want to make sure that I keep it up and running as best I can. I'm really glad that I have this and that it is just as powerful as the name brand, but way less expensive.